Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what we received in the Geometric Shapes themed Sophie and Toffee Pixie Box, as well as showing you how to create a little turtle heart pendant using polymer clay and the supplies included in the box. So the Sophie and Toffee Pixie Boxes are monthly subscription boxes that come with a range of supplies around a certain theme, and it's up to you to kind of come up with a project that you would like to make using those. If you would like to learn more about the Sophie and Toffee Pixie Boxes, you can find some information down in the description box below. So in this box we received 3 shaped open bezels, iridescent heart-shaped glitter, a heart-shaped metal charm, a geometric dangle earrings silicone mold, backing tape for the bezel charms, a hexagon earrings silicone mold, earring pieces, a round jewellery trinket tray silicone mold, a green bead embellishment mix, pink foil sheets, a circular tray silicone mold, 3 powdered pigments, a diamond gem silicone mold, colourful gemstones, a Japanese pattern coaster silicone mold, earring hooks and jump rings, and finally these wavy line stickers. So to begin, I'm taking the heart-shaped metal charm, which I'm going to be creating my pendant design in, and I'm also taking some of my own supply of polymer clay, and I'm going to be creating the turtle. So here I'm starting off with some dark green polymer clay for the shell, and I'm using a piece of wire to add some indents to create a little hexagon pattern. I do have a much more detailed polymer clay turtle tutorial on my channel, so I'll leave that link down below if you would like to check it out. I then mixed together a lighter green colour, which I'm going to be using for the head and the turtle's legs. So here I'm rolling the clay into a teardrop shape, and then I'm cutting off the pointed end, and the part that's remaining is going to become the turtle's head. I'm then focusing on making the legs, so I'm curving the clay how I want it and then trimming off the parts that I need to use. And then I'm just going ahead and positioning everything onto the shell or the body. You can see here that I have my turtle resting on my acrylic clay roller, and this is so that I can easily move it around as I need to. I then rolled a long coil of dark green clay, and I'm placing this around the turtle's shell over the head and the legs. I then took my needle tool and I'm creating lots of little indents on this part of the clay for the texture. Finally, to finish off the turtle, I rolled 2 small balls of black clay, and I'm just connecting these onto the head for the eyes. Using my blade, I then carefully remove the turtle from the end of my acrylic clay roller, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to be moving on to the resin. So I'm going to be using this white and blue pigment that I have, and I'm going to be mixing it into some UV resin, and this will become the base of my pendant to look like the nice blue water that the turtle will be sitting in. I'm just mixing the pigment in using my toothpick, so I began with the white, and then I'm just adding a very small amount of the blue because it is quite a strong blue, and I wanted it to have a pastel look to it. Once I was happy with the colour, I then poured a very thin layer into the bottom of the pendant, and then I moved it around to spread it to the sides. Then, because I'm using UV resin, I did need to cure this under my UV lamp, and I also popped it out into the sun as well. I'm then going to be creating a little sand mixture. So here I've got some UV resin, and I just poured in some of this Japanese star sand, which I have for craft. And then I'm just positioning it onto the pendant right down the bottom where I want it. And I'm spreading it out a little bit before then also curing this under my UV lamp. Finally, for the water, I'm adding a very transparent white resin mixture all over the blue part, and then using my toothpick, I'm adding some blobs of clear UV resin, and this will help to create the effect of some rippled water. Now it's time to add the decorations, so I'm taking the green embellishment mix from the box as well as the colourful gemstones. I also have my little turtle, which I had gone ahead and baked in my oven according to my package's instructions, and I've also just added this onto the pendant as well. I'm using my UV resin to act as a glue for this part, and I'm just positioning everything where I want using my tweezers and also a toothpick. Once I was happy with the look of everything, I then cured it under my UV lamp, and then finally I added one final layer to dome the ocean part of the pendant and make it look all nice and shiny. Off camera, I had also gone and glazed my polymer clay turtle as well to make him look nice and shiny, and also as a final touch to the pendant, I added some green moss to the side. So here's what my finished turtle heart-shaped pendant ended up looking like. I really love the way this little charm turned out and the way I was able to incorporate the items in the Geometric Shapes Pixie Box with my own clay and supplies as well. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.